If you are new to Bitcoin, if you are new to cryptocurrencies in general, then stay and listen to what I have to say. You will find it really, really rewarding. What is Bitcoin? Oh my God, that's such a huge question. Is it a network? Is it money? Is it a commodity? Is it... Let's forget about all that. Hi everybody, my name is Harris and we're gonna buy Bitcoin and then make a company. So for all of you that you have never actually come in touch with a Bitcoin, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make two versions of buying Bitcoin. The first one is gonna be with cash and the second one with a bank transfer, credit card, debit card. We'll find out in the future, maybe both. So first of all, we need to have some cash. I live in Bristol, UK, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to withdraw, hopefully, £500 from my UK bank in pounds, which is the currency of UK, really. So let's go to the ATM and see if we can actually withdraw £500. I'm not going to show you my PIN today. Let's try 500. Ooh, it actually worked. Thank you. Right, there we go. We've got £500. We've got the £500. So let's see if we can make a Bitcoin out of them. Well, it's not going to be the whole Bitcoin because one Bitcoin is, with the today price, is something around $11,500, which is, I think 8,000 and... We're going to check again later on, and I'm going to tell you. It's, I think, £8,000 or so. Okay, see you again when we find a way how to make my cash into Bitcoin. Back to my house now. So we're going to try to find a way to make our cash, our £500, into a fraction of a Bitcoin. It's not going to be a whole Bitcoin, as I said earlier. Oh, yeah, let me find out how much is a Bitcoin in pounds, actually. Right? So let's see what our £500 will buy us. Right. Google says that one Bitcoin is $11,350 at the moment. Today is 13th of October, 2020. I have done already here the search for pounds because we are in England, UK. So one Bitcoin is £8,751. Right, and final search was, let's see how much we're going to buy with £500. So £500, they're going to buy us 0.057 of a Bitcoin. Cool. Well, let's find out how to make our cash now into Bitcoin. Okay, so apparently there are ATMs that I can go and get Bitcoin or pounds. I'm not sure really. So let's click on the map actually. If I put my cash, what is it? I mean, I think Bitcoin is, I'm a bit confused on this one. Bitcoin is electronic. How can I get Bitcoin from a cash machine? There is no cash Bitcoin. There is no paper or coins. Or I'm sure that there are no Bitcoin, even though it's called Bitcoin. That's a bit confusing actually. Is it? Let's go and find out. I'm going to go there and see what this ATM does. Let's go and see. Are you coming?
Something about Pinder's warm, raspy voice had put Joe curiously at ease from the first moment he heard it. Now he identified that something. It was a storyteller's voice. Pinder continued. Well, Larry thought for a moment to show you what I call my 5 laws of stratospheric success. If you can make a little time, say, every day for a week. Seriously? Joe nearly stuttered. For a week? I don't know how much time I can take off.
My audiobook.
Pinder waved his hand vaguely as if to say, time means
The audiobook
nothing.
of the week.
Not a problem. All we'll need... The conditions.
So
He'd forgotten
I have
all
set a
about
target to
It
myself.
was only after he agreed to
But,
Pinder's conditions, Brenda had said.
I'm going to be educating myself.
The meanings. Joe gulped. I
Just
really
close the
don't
window.
have the means. Pinder held up his hands. Please, don't worry. It's nothing like that.
So I'm going to keep educating myself
Do I need to sign an NDA or this brought a big
in a way that the reason that I'm doing that is that
if anything, the opposite. I call these 5 laws.
imagine yourself when you were going to school, maybe college, maybe university. It doesn't really matter. But the thing is that you have learned something and then you can actually use it in real life. Like, no matter how little you have learned at school, still the school has taught you to read and to do simple maths. 1 plus 1, 500 plus 500, 1000 minus 200. You don't need much really, you just need the basics. And I think this is the secret here. So what I'm doing is, I don't have time to read books, so I listen to them. And I listen to them every time I'm doing this long trips, long boring trips, like from home to work, from work to home, from home to meet friends downtown. This is so much wasted time. I mean, you can listen to music, that's fine, but by listening to an audiobook, you're actually educating yourself on the matters that you want to concentrate at a given time. For example, at this point of my life, I'm opening a new company, which I'm going to talk about it in our videos. And I need to educate myself on so many aspects on making a new business, like accountancy, acquisitions and mergers, or anything goes really. So the best way for me, I mean, leadership, employment, there's so many aspects on every business. So my target is 1 audiobook per day. Sorry, not per day, per week. That would have been amazing. I don't have that much time. So what I have realized is that 1 week is actually the time that I need going up and down to work and to meeting friends and family. It actually takes exactly 1 week to finish a book. That's fantastic. That's like 52 books per year. Imagine what you can do with the knowledge of 52 books per year. And I'm concentrating, I mean, the books that I'm buying, they are always on subjects that I don't know. For example, at this point, I wanted to learn what the hell is an LTD, limited company. Why do I need one? I mean, what is a sole trader and what's the difference? I mean, what's the whole point really? So I just download the books and I'm listening to them and I'm keep learning. So it's just amazing. I highly recommend you to do this, to do so. Okay, well, see you again when we reach the ATM. It's going to take us another 8 minutes. Probably I'm going to fast forward this video so you won't have to deal with the whole trouble. See you soon. Okay. Well, we're here. Oh, I love the streets of Bristol. What is there not to like? I mean, look at all these graffiti artists. Bristol City. So, okay then, we are a little bit of tourism.
So we are at the very, very vibrant Gloucester Road of Bristol City. Gloucester Road is an amazing, amazing street and very diverse. And let's try to find the ATM. It must be really close now. Right. Well, I have found a place, but that didn't go very well. I have found a place, but apparently the Bitcoin machine is not working, and it was an off license. It was like a mini marketplace. The thing is that the guy, as I said, it's a very diverse area. So the guy behind, he could barely speak English, I think. And he was keep telling me that he's very busy. So I'm gonna search the Google Maps and let's find the next place. See you in a bit. Quite busy here. So apparently the next ATM is 15 minutes driving from here. So I'm gonna go and get my car again. And let's head to the next point. Again in the car. 14 more minutes to get to the next ATM. So thank God there's more than one. And yeah, I'm keep listening my audiobook. We're not wasting time. We have to educate ourselves, learn something. Yeah, so 15 more minutes of audiobook for me. See you later. Right, store number 2. It must be one of these two there. It must be the premiere one. Okay, let's go and see. I'm going to obviously ask for permission to film there, and hopefully they're going to give it to me. See you soon. Success! I've managed to find a Bitcoin machine, so let's see how it works. Okay, it says buy Bitcoin. Cool. What's next? Touch. Oh, right. Okay. English. Yeah, we're in England. Bitcoin. Cool. Let's search Bitcoin. Buy. Fantastic. Up to £3,000. Choose a cash limit. How much cryptocurrency are you planning to purchase? Up to 3,000, between 3,000 and 4,000, more than 4,000. Well, it's up to 3,000 for us. I assume that the interest that they are taking is less as the amount goes up. Huh? Hi there. Cool. Enter destination Bitcoin address. Scan your wallet QR code. Oh, don't have a wallet. I don't have a wallet, so I'm gonna press don't have a wallet. Install a Bitcoin wallet application on your smartphone. Right. Okay, so at this point I'm gonna download the application and I'm gonna see you soon. Okay, so I have just scanned the barcode that it was on the screen, and then I download an application that gives me a public address and a public key that is, as you can see, is blurred so nobody can see it. And now I'm going to try to buy my Bitcoin. Right. There we go again. So let's press Bitcoin and buy. Cool. Waiting. I'm getting up to 3,000 and destination Bitcoin address. Scan your wallet QR. Okay. Right, so at this point I have to put my QR code, I assume, is it here?